So we were just discussing the Cybertruck production.
Yes, that's right.
As we speak, Tesla is celebrating their 6 millionth car.
Yeah.
And what do you think? It's being led by the Cybertruck stampede. A lot of Cybertrucks.
A lot of Cybertrucks. They're showing up everywhere. Everybody I know in Los Angeles has seen one at this point somewhere.
Yeah.
Sometimes multiples. Yeah. Well, I think it's being led by the Cybertruck. I really believe that this new decision to let people test the FSD, that this decision to allow for that is going to drive volume. I think people are going to try it at home. They're going to show their neighbor. They're going to show their friends. And that is going to drive more.
Do you believe volume of cars or volume of FSD sales, or both?
Oh, I think the FSD sales is the obvious one. That's going to happen for sure. I'm saying it's going to drive sales. I have not driven my grandkids or my daughter in West LA. I have not driven them in my car in 3.25 years since I first got it and took them on the first drive with FSD, and it was a failure.
Scared their pants off.
Their pants off. But now with version 12.3, then I would be perfectly happy next time to take them out for a ride, and they'd be going, "What? Are you kidding me? This thing is crazy." And all of a sudden, 4 grandkids, as they're getting into the car buying years, are going to be like, "This is what I want when the time comes."
Yeah.
This is what I want to do. So I think it's going to actually increase sales. Oh, and people that have been thinking about it, and maybe even thinking about renting them out eventually on the Cybertruck the FSD network, some of those people will say, "Okay, it's time to finally buy mine because we're almost there." So yeah, I think it'll increase sales.
Yeah, I think we're probably close to the nadir of the sales problems. I think that we're facing. I think China is in very rapid decline.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how China climbs out of where it's in right now.
I think they're going to kick the can down the road, it appears. They're stimulating like crazy.
Sometimes the can just won't go down the road. It happened to Japan in 1980, in the 80s.
No.
I think it was 82 or 83, I forget which. I think it's happening. Japan kicked the can down the road. I mean, China's been kicking the can down the road since 2014. It's 2024. It's a decade. They may have another decade in them. They may have another year in them. They may not.
Yeah.
It's indications are they're not. I mean, they're still claiming that they're posting 5% growth.
Yeah.
It's possible. It's more than possible. But I don't know. I really don't know.
If you happen to be a big fan of the Cybertruck, you might also be interested in this super fun Cybertruck refrigerator magnet and bottle opener. It is made out of super thick stainless steel, just like the Cybertruck, and it has this giant magnet on the back, so it's going to hold a lot of stuff on your refrigerator. It's an amazing gift, and it comes in that great gift box that you saw before that uses a magnet opener, just almost like an Apple box, like when you get Apple products. You can buy it on Amazon for $29.95, or you can buy it direct from me by sending $25 to paypal.me/Randy Kirk, all in lowercase letters. Please indicate whether you want the stainless steel look, or maybe you'd like to have this very clever camo version. And then if you're not in the US, please add $20 for freight. If you'd like more than one, please check the information below to get pricing, as well as all that information I just told you will be repeated in the information below. So once again, think about joining the channel, getting the up-to-date Tesla news every single day. I think you'll be glad you did.